indicates this vehicle as being a very popular color. Take a ride in the 2018 Eclipse Cross. The Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross is a good-looking crossover with bold styling. An 8-inch infotainment screen offers the latest in technology and supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.